Hello, all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, the video is about Birthday Burner. It's a delightful addition to the Hot Wheels lineup for 2024. So, before we dwell into detail, let's unbox it. As it is a part of the Hot Wheels Celebration Racer series. Here it comes. This diecast car is designed to look like a slice of cake on wheels. Comes with a chocolate dipping, doll-like decals, and a big engine adorned with the cake graphics. This diecast car is a feast for the eyes. It comes with the Hot Wheel logo on sides, which has 6 exhausts, 3 on each side. That's add a touch of power to this sweet ride. Check out the front, where a piece of chocolate and the fork tail add to the design. And on top, a cherry on the slice marks the driver's seats, making it look like a birthday treat. And the best part, it has a divo in the engine to fit a birthday candle, which was created by the talented Craig Callum. I think it's a beautiful creation with a celebration on wheels. Just light up the fun with the birthday burner and make every day feel like a special occasion. As Hot Wheels, where the fun never stops. So let me know in the comments what you think of the birthday burner. I'm impressed with the design. It's a cool way to give a gift to any Hot Wheels fan, whether it's for a friend or yourself. The birthday burner is sure to bring a joy and excitement. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.